Courage is one of the core qualities of leadership. When you go to the SSB, the assessors are definitely looking for it. Now the question is, how do I get to know whether I have courage or not? Because this quality is very often misunderstood. लोग सोचते हैं कि just एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे कूदना is about courage. So whether I possess courage or not, if I don't have it right now, so then let me tell you how you can build it. So in this particular video, this is what we'll be exploring. We'll be covering 3 aspects. What exactly is courage? Whether you possess courage or not? What are the aspects of courage? And finally, how do I build it in the long run? Hi guys, so this is Shashank from Road to Recommendation and I've been guiding aspirants for the past 4 years. 1,500 स्टूडेंट्स के आसपास हमने अभी तक ट्रेन कर दिए हैं, out of which 200 have gotten selected. अभी recent NDA 1 2024 में 8 students were in the final merit. They were from R2R. AFCAT January 2025 वाला कोर्स जो था, इसमें we have around 9 selections and in the CDS 1 2024 final merit we have 10 students. So ये बिल्कुल recent results है. The reality is that courage is about facing your fears. It can be physical, it can also be moral, it can also be mental. अब जैसे just for example, let's try and understand this. So जैसे हम physical courage की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो physical courage का तो mostly आप लोगों को understanding हो गई, right? When we talk about moral courage, not being able to speak up and fear of being perceived as incorrect. या फिर यार लोग क्या सोचेंगे, वो बंदा क्या सोचेगा, ये वो फलाना नहीं माना. दैट इज लैक ऑफ मॉरल करेज, राइट? स्पीकिंग अप अगेंस्ट अ रॉन्ग शोज दैट यू पोजेस मॉरल करेज. ठीक है, किसी के साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है. सो आप जब सर्विस में जा रहे हो, सो व्हेन यू वांट टू सर्व द नेशन, सो यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस सर्विस, इट्स अ सर्विस, राइट? सर्विस टुवर्ड्स द पीपल, towards the nation. So speaking up against the wrongdoings is essentially one of the another key aspect, right? This is when we talk about moral courage. And lastly, एक और aspect होता है which is of mental courage. Typically going when you want to give up. There's a saying which says when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So बात इतनी सी है कि जो बंदा तीनों क्वालिटीज एम्पल अमाउंट में पोजेस कर रहा है, ठीक है, उसको हम करेजियस बोलेंगे. तो फिजिकली किसी से नहीं डर रहा है, मॉरली कहीं पे बोलने से नहीं घबरा रहा है, मेंटली ही इज विलिंग टू गो द डिस्टेंस. इतना सा गेम है समझने का, right? Now, so let me tell you a story. So last year, what we had a student. His name was Rishabh. He was a repeater, very high potential candidate, right? So he came to us. The issue was that in the GD, he was not very assertive. बातें उसकी सही होती थी, कंटेंट उसका बहुत अच्छा होता था हमेशा, बट जब बात आती थी सामने वाला अगर कुछ उसकी बात से अग्री नहीं कर रहा है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव रखा, तो मान जाता है, he used to give up on his own point, right? Go with the too much of cooperation, right? Is what we would call it. Having understood this, so GD monitoring हुई, right? When we talked about this, so see, facing your fears or facing your weaknesses is also part of courage. This is what we call mental courage. We had to put it into him. I mean, assertion training kari, which is like essentially you have to speak up. The basic idea is that the basic point of view when we do assertion training is that भाई आप सही होगे लेकिन मैं भी गलत नहीं हूँ. So मुद्दे की बात क्या है, that the whatever I have to say should at least come out in front of the group, right? Let the group make the decision. At least बात रखना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. After talking to a lot of students, I understood is that they're not aware how to access our courses. What you can do is you can visit r2rssb.graphy.com. वहाँ से you can access the courses section. Visit the store. You'll be taken to the store. Click on the particular course और वहाँ पे आपको landing page एक आ जाएगा. Landing page में सारी details मिल जाएंगी. And there's a video in the landing page. Usually for each and every course we make one video. You can check it out and enroll for the next batches. They're starting on 1st of Feb. See, courage is always a decision, right? You choose to be courageous. Despite your fears, you choose to push forward, right? Courageous people, it's not like they don't have fear. They do have fear, but they choose to push forward. Okay? That is what builds character. That is what shows आप किस मिट्टी के बने हो. So courage is moving on despite having fear, and this inspires people. Because डर तो देखो सबको लगता है, गला सबका सूखता है, ठीक है, for obvious reason, but don't drink this particular drink, right? So खाली शुगर होता है. But I hope you get the point, right? Which is that courage is pushing on despite having fear. जब मैं छोटा था तो I used to go to my mother's office. She works in the Air Force and there was a poster बचपन में, right? So we used to watch a cartoon, Dennis the Menace. उसमें Dennis is holding a ball, basketball, and the shot is from above the basketball ring, right? So it's a camera angle जहाँ पे ऊपर से हम नीचे की तरफ देख रहे हैं, ठीक है? So Dennis is looking very small. Below the rim, he has a ball, and on top it's written that before I say I give up, I'll try, or before saying it's too high, I'll say let's give it a try. So it's about whenever the task is also it seems daunting, when it seems impossible, it's about resilience, right? So this I wanted to give you guys. अगर आपको ये याद रहे तो because it has helped me personally through a lot of tough times when things were not working out my way. This is what helped me. I've seen a lot of people make mistakes or underestimating themselves कि सर मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, ठीक है? But in reality, when you get down to it, when the push comes to shove, these people they come up unexpectedly, ठीक है? They rise to the occasion. So chances are because we have a negative voice inside ourselves, right? Which stops us, which blocks us from taking action, from moving ahead, from trying new things. So see, courage is not doing big things, a lot of big things. It's about starting off with smaller things, right? So the question is, how do I know whether I already have courage in me or not? So see, if you're willing to face your weaknesses and if you take responsibility, work on them, I think this is a small sign of courage. Small क्या मतलब? I mean, this is a small action that denotes that you're courageous. So let's start with the smaller things. Choosing to appear in the SSB and pushing on despite the failures. That is also a sign of courage, my friends. It takes guts to get up and go to the SSB every time. So when you get up, I mean, you don't get selected, let's say. So the heart breaks. दिल टूट जाता है, मन नहीं करता कुछ भी करने का 2-4-5 दिन तक. फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में जाना है तो 2-3 महीने अपने मतलब लाइक you're completely disconnected to the entire preparation. And उसके बाद फिर 2-3 महीने बाद again the SSB is there now, ठीक है? You're starting to get goosebumps, excitement, everything, mixed feeling, and still you choose to go. Right? This is also courage, my friends. ठीक है? So it's not just about bigger things, it's also about the smaller things. These 3 things that I initially talked about, which is physical courage. 95% of the girls they get rejected because of this. So जो rejections होते हैं लड़कियों में वो इसकी वजह से होते हैं majorly. So GTO में physical courage you have to train. If you're a girl you'll have to train it. लड़कों में थोड़ा moral courage ज़्यादा टेस्ट होती है, right? Because they don't take responsibility. So finding your morals and value system would definitely be helpful. Would be considered courageous. And then there is mental courage. When we talk about mental courage, it's more about pushing our own boundaries, exceeding our previous capacities, right? Let's say if you run for 5 to 10 kilometers today, okay, so tomorrow you increase, even if it's minuscule progress, that is also okay. Yeah. It doesn't have to be exponential in a single day, fine. But eventually it becomes exponential. It has to be small steps every day. Now let's talk about the next part, which is how can you build more courage? And it's true that you can build courage because just like any other thing, it is also a skill, right? Nobody is born with courage, right? So ऐसा तो हमने देखा नहीं कि बच्चा पैदा होते हुए क्रिश वाली हरकतें कर रहा है. You get the point, right? So it is because of exposure, right? The more exposure this guy gets right from childhood, right, to certain things. So with exposure comes courage. We understand this. Now let's talk about the pointers as to how you can exactly improve, right? So first thing is start small. Start by doing just one thing that you are most reluctant to do. जो सबसे ज़्यादा जिस चीज़ से आप भाग रहे हो ना, it might be public speaking, social interaction, talking to a girl, a boy for that matter, undertaking XYZ, maybe fixing your schedule. These are very small things that we can start inculcating, right? So first part is start small. Next part is prepare. When you prepare, the fear, it has to take a backseat, my friends. Yeah, there's no fear when you prepare. There is just something about the hustle, right? There's just something about the grind. When you grind, when you work yourself off, अपने आप courage and confidence, self-confidence आ जाता है. One more thing is you need a shift in perspective. To stop seeing fear as something, I mean, you know, to be afraid of, should see it as an opportunity. So I used to watch Dog Whisperer. So he used to always say, whenever a dog misbehaves, it is an opportunity to establish contact with him and to fix this, right? So negative behavior is an opportunity. You understand? So similarly, fear is also an opportunity. It is an opportunity for you to add another star to your personality. You understand? Provided you do work on it, right? When you face it, I mean, you know, that it can be, a lot of people go into epiphany. They experience a lot of, how should I put it, euphoria, right? Because of this. So आप करना चालू करो, ठीक है? और आपको experiences होंगे ऐसे. You'll feel very elated. Last two things is that surround yourself with people who have a similar mindset, who are positive in approach, who are not pessimistic. The last part is celebrate the progresses that you make. Whenever you make progress, whenever you go in the correct direction, you should celebrate, right? Finally, to conclude, courage is not something that you're born with. It is something that you learn through your experiences. When you're going to the SSB, it's not just about showing that you're fearless, but it's more about showing that you're willing to work despite your fears, right? That is more critical. उनको समझ में आए कि भाई this person will do whatever it takes in order to serve the nation, right? In order to execute the orders. And that is when you rise to the occasion. Fine. So they don't need people who are just perfect. People who are not afraid at all. Okay? Why? Because then there is some issue. If you do not experience this emotion, then that is a bigger issue. Okay? Because then psychological research would have to ensue कि भाई इस बंदे को डर क्यों नहीं लगता. ठीक है, डर लगता है भाई सबको, बट courageous people they work despite, they choose to push forward. You understand? देखो, बात में अगर दम लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, लाइक कर लेना, शेयर कर देना, ठीक है? और भी दोस्तों को अपने आपके लेकिन थोड़ा बेनिफिट हो. इफ यू फाइंड इट यूजफुल, डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर with your friends. ठीक है? जय हिंद एवरीवन, टेक केयर.